So out of all of our snow balls, or whatever you call it, we have 6 that made it because they play too much. And they actually turned out really cute because that one still got to get peeled. Look at that color. Oh man, it drained. But that was a pink one, or pink or red, if you say so. The yellow one turned out really good. People are having fun. Look at Stank Caleb. And then look at Porter. Porter, what you doing? He said it's too cold for this.
You're not walking crazy.
Porter, go back on the porch because you're going to freeze. But, well, either way, this is our 6 balls that made it. I can't count for crap. Well, 7 balls. All right, bye.